In this video, I will show you all the different fees when trading on MEXC. We'll take a detailed look at what fees there are, how high they are. I will show you some examples and a comparison to other exchanges. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on the platform MEXC, you can simply go down to the video description, click on the link, you will get to exactly this page right here, and you can create your account right here, and you can automatically pick up the best sign-up bonus possible, which is up to $1,000 of bonuses. After depositing and making your first trades, you can redeem all these different tasks bonuses. Also, you can get an additional 10% discount on all trading fees by just using the link down from the description. All right, so let's jump right into the different fees. First of all, we can see here the fee rates are incredibly low on MEXC. You will have a maker fee of incredibly 0.000%, so absolutely no fee for any maker fee. Maker always means if you're using a limit order. So if you set here a limit order, you can set a certain price. For example, if you want to open the position only at 42,000, the order will be executed only if the price goes down to that certain price, and then you will have an incredible maker fee of 0% fee. The other option is of course the taker fee, which is 0.03%, which is still incredibly low, and the taker fee will always happen if you choose a market order. So here you cannot set a certain price, but the good thing is it will enter the market immediately at the current market price. So you can open your position immediately and don't have to wait until a certain price is reached. Then you will have to pay the taker fee of 0.03%. Here we can see an overview of all the different exchanges and what trading fees they offer. As you can see, MEXC has by far the lowest fees in this comparison. You can see we have a maker fee of 0%, no other exchange offers that, and also with a taker fee, we are incredibly low, by far the lowest with 0.03%. We have an average fee, so if you use sometimes this order of around 0.015%, and I also calculated an example for you. For example, if you have a $10,000 position, you will have on average a $1.50 fee. You can see the others have a bit higher fees, but I would say this fee is incredibly low and it won't matter that much because you know the Bitcoin price can move a few percent up and down within a day. So these 0.015% order fees won't matter that much at all. I mean, you have to know, for example, in a long position, if the price only goes up 1%, we are making $100 of profit. So these $1.50 don't matter that much. The other fee that you also have is the funding fee, which you can see right here. This is very typical and all exchanges have them. So you can see a certain funding rate right here and a countdown. How this works is you only pay this fee on your current position size if this countdown goes to 0. If this is a positive value right here, you will pay it as a long position and you will receive actually that amount if you have a short position. So if I have a long position and this countdown goes to 0, I would have to pay, if I have a long position, 0.01% fee on my position size, which will be automatically deducted from my available balance. If I don't have enough balance, it would taken from my position, but it's still very low, 0.01%. And if I would have a short position and this is positive, I would even get 0.01% of funding fee. So the longs would actually pay me if I have a short position in this case. It's very important to know that you only have to pay this fee at the end of this countdown if you have a position open. So if I close my position a few seconds before this countdown goes to 0, I don't have to pay anything, and I could, for example, open it later on again. And this will always refresh every 8 hours. Don't forget to create an account on MEXC by using the link down from the video description to get the best sign-up bonus possible, which is up to $1,000 of welcome bonus and also an additional 10% fee discount on all trading fees. If you need any more tutorials, you can find them on my channel, and if you have any other questions on the platform, always feel free to ask them in the comments.